So from your side, you are doing recording, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. So approximately how many members, sir, today expected to join?
Sir, around 80 to 90, sir. Let's wait for five more minutes, sir.
Yeah, sure.
We'll start.
Sure, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
80 to 90, sir, total. Very less. How many were registered, sir? Sir, my screen is visible, sir.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the 1 week faculty development program hosted by Information Technology, Lakreddy College of Engineering, Mayavaram. Let's welcome Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu garu, uh, today's resource person. Let me give a brief information bio about profile about him. Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu garu has an impressive academic and professional background. Beginning from his undergraduation, he received his BTech in Computer Science Engineering from Sri Venkateswara University, Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh in 2000. Furtherly, he completed his MTech in Intelligent Systems from the Indian Institute of Information Technology, IIIT, Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh, India in 2004. Earned his PhD from JNTUA, Anantapur, India, under the supervision of Professor C.H.D.V. Subbarao, sir. Over 22 years of teaching and industrial experience, he served as the head of the Department of Information Technology at SV College of Engineering, Tirupati from 2007 to 2009. He held various roles such as HOD, R&D, NBA, BOS, NAAC, TechWhip to IIIC, NPTEL, EDC, TGMC, AICT, SIP, STP, and IBM COE coordinator. Received the Bharat Vidya Ratan National Award from the International Business Council, Delhi in 2018. Awarded the Best IT Teacher of the Year from the state ITAP 2020 from ITAP and Tutors Pride, Hyderabad. Honored with the Lifetime Achievement Excellence Award 2022 and the Best International Scientific Research Award from Research India Foundation RIF in 2022. Received the Outstanding Teacher Award 2022 for the academic year of 2022 to 23 from RIF. Awarded Best Mentorship from IBM TGMC Challenge Contest and Microsoft in 2011 and 2012. Recognized as the Best SPOC of NPTEL Swayam and Best SPOC of STP IIT Bombay in 2019. Received the Best Mentor Internship Award from Internal AICTD Delhi 2019. Dr. Asadi's impressive academic and professional achievements, coupled with his numerous awards and recognition, make him a highly respected and accomplished individual in the field of computer science and information technology. Sir will be guiding us in preparing data for generative models and generating visualization with generative models will be the topic for today. Sir, I would like to address the gathering and proceed the program. Thank you, sir. Over to you.
Yeah, thank you, sir, for a nice introduction. Warm welcome to 1 week national level FDP on generative models like generative adversarial models, GANs, and variational autoencoders, how to use and develop a defaking application. Very interesting application I'm going to demonstrate today. And my dear faculty members, if you are getting any doubt in between, you can raise your question in the chat box so that I can answer to that question. So today's topic is very interesting under generative AI models. And generative AI is also one of the extended topic of artificial intelligence. Like we can see various new topics under artificial intelligence, like transfer learning. You may be a strong knowledge in the machine learning, deep learning. Now the latest topics in artificial intelligence, like transfer learning, explainable AI, and this generative AI right now, what we are going to see, generative AI models. What is the purpose of using this advanced artificial intelligence technique models? For visualization purpose, I'm going to demonstrate. So this is the second day session of a 1 week national level faculty development program on generative AI for data visualization. So I think everybody knows artificial intelligence, the science and engineering to make intelligent machines. So that is artificial intelligence. Intelligent behavior in a machine is called robotics, and we are using advanced generative AI models like GANs and VANs, generative adversarial networks, GAN, very powerful model right now, and variational autoencoders, one more powerful AI model. These two models I'm using to develop various applications by using matplotlib and Seaborn. These are the two libraries I'm familiar in Python programming. Let's see. and how many of you are perfect in Python programming, so that you can understand. This is my background already. Coordinator explained. So, and my double PhD pursuing at Indian Institute of Information Technology in the field of data science under the supervision of Professor Anupam Agarwal. This is my second year I'm going to complete, and these are my research interest. So especially predicting and detecting various health data analytics, weather forecasting, and groundwater data prediction like PFAS, and even traffic data analytics. Wherever data is there, I'm going to develop various prediction applications related to data, database, and a huge volume of data like big data sets. By utilizing the broad umbrella like artificial intelligence, under umbrella we have statistical models, machine learning models, and deep learning models, transfer learning models, explainable AI models, and finally generative AI models I am going to cover today. To develop various accurate and efficient environmental monitoring solutions, how it is useful for the society. And these are my 8 research interests like data science. So data science, everybody knows the process of extracting meaningful interested patterns from the huge volume of data by applying statistical ML and DL techniques in order to find out insights from the huge volume of data. Then artificial intelligence, the science and engineering to develop various intelligent based applications by using AI models. Then the topic like machine learning, learning from the observational data by using supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. I'm using models to develop the applications and predicting the applications, classifying the applications, clustering the applications, outlier detection, and whatnot, recommendation engines, everything we are using under these 3 approaches like supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. The extension of machine learning is deep learning. Deep learning is nothing but learning from the observational data by deep manner by increasing number of input and hidden layers, and by applying activation functions and various dropout functions. Okay, so we are using frameworks like Keras, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Theano, Seaborn, Pillow, Matplotlib, NumPy, Pandas, etc. And we are using especially 3 major approaches like CNN, RNN, LSTM, etc. Then cyber security, health data analytics, groundwater data analytics. Right now I am doing Australian government data I have taken as a major project we are implementing on groundwater data to predicting various PFAS, per and polyfluoroalkyl substances, contaminants, the concentration levels of PFAS in the groundwater data, soil properties, and weather forecasting, etc. And these are my 8 research interest. Then publications you can find in IEEE Explore Digital Library, and you can find out Scopus papers and Web of Science papers. And I have a YouTube channel for it is not for money, for who are pursuing their PhD, masters, my students, scholars, whenever they are getting in different technologies I have explained. So nearly 258 videos I have uploaded. So far, I have conducted nearly 175 international webinars and workshops and symposiums. So I kept all 258 videos are presented in my YouTube channel. So I'm a corporate trainer. Last 4 years, I'm dedicated for. I have started during Corona period, 2000 year. I have started last 4 years. I am giving corporate training on various technologies like big data, cloud computing, data science, and cyber security, Internet of Things, blockchain technology by using AI, ML, and DL techniques. And right now, I'm taking a data science training for PhD and MS students in USA. And okay, before going to our
Sir,
topic,
excuse me, sir.
yeah,
Seems like we have uh, an error in the displaying of the screen share. Can you restart the screen share again?
yeah, sure, sure. That's what I'm
Yes,
getting
sir.
a doubt whether my, yeah,
Yes, sir.
sorry. Yeah,
It's
one
okay, sir.
second.
Yeah, meanwhile, a small announcement, sir, to the
Yeah, please.
participants. The attendance
Yeah.
form will be posted in the group chat and as well as the WhatsApp group by 2:30 p.m. So please kindly fill the form. Thank you.
Sir, please check now my screen is visible or not, sir.
Sir, it's still blank, sir. We can't see it.
Yeah, what is the problem? One second, I'm sharing my screen.
Yes, sir.
So, can I join once again?
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. We'll be waiting, sir.
Yeah, why it is showing like that? One second. I'm stopping my screen. So
Yes, sir.
share content in the meeting. Whether I have to select optimize for motion and video. Entire screen, na?
Yes, sir. You have to select entire screen,
Yeah,
sir.
I have selected entire screen only. Yeah. Now please check, sir. Now it is visible.
Not
In
yet,
my
sir.
screen it is. Yeah, what is the problem? Yeah, one second. I will stop sharing. One second, sir. Share screen.
Sir,
Share.
it's taking some time, sir, to display.
Yeah. Now please check, sir. I'm
Yes, sir.
sharing my screen. You are sharing your screen. Now it is visible, sir. Please check. Sir,
Sir,
tell me,
not
sir,
we can't
whether
see,
my
sir. I
screen.
made you co-host, sir.
Yeah, please. Why? Can you share? Yeah, Dr. MSS Sai, unverified actually. It is showing like that. Then below, stop sharing. Okay, once again I'm doing, sir. Share. No, entire screen. Yeah, I'm selecting entire screen. You are sharing your screen. It is saying, sir, now please see, sir. My screen is visible.
It's displaying blank, sir.
Yeah, can you do one thing? I'm sharing my PPT to you. Okay, can you share,
Okay, sir.
Kishore?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir. Yes, sir.
one second. Yeah, I have sent in WhatsApp, please. Yeah, why it is not showing?
Sir, now it started to share, sir.
Sir, Can I
Now
share
you
my
Now it
screen?
started to share, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Viewing. Yes, sir.
Oh,
Sir, it
Nirmala
seems
will,
like your bandwidth is a bit low, sir.
no.
It,
Sir, please check. No, sir, Nirmala will stop sharing content as soon as you start sharing. Sir, can I share once again screen?
yes, sir. Please kindly, sir.
Yeah, please check. You are sharing your screen. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now it is visible. Please check once again, sir.
No, sir. Please have you sent the document, sir?
Yes, yes, I
PPT?
have sent. I have. Yeah, I have shared. I've shared to you.
Sir. We'll check on it, sir, once.
Why it is not?
Hello, sir. In
Hello,
bottom tab,
madam.
there is share option, sir. You click on that
Yes,
share
yes,
option.
yes. I am doing. So it once I am clicking here, share your screen. It is saying you are sharing your screen, but why it is not coming? I don't know. Now it is connecting. Please check right now, sir. My screen is visible right now. Please check, madam. Now it is coming or not?
Sir, it is not share.
It is not coming. My screen is visible or not?
No, sir, it is not visible. It is not
Yeah,
visible, sir.
yeah. That's what I don't know. Sir Kishore, sir, I have shared my PPT, sir, in the group chat.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, please share from your side at least. Can I stop, sir? Let me know it whether you are sharing screen or not.
Sir, once kindly rejoin again into the meet, sir. It
Yes,
may
yes,
bring any changes.
yes. Leave meeting. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir. My screen is visible. Hello.
Sir, your video is visible, sir. Yes, sir. Now it's visible, sir. Yes, sir. Now it's good, sir.
Yeah. Now it
Yeah.
is coming, sir. Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, sir. It is.
Sorry for
Yeah.
inconvenience. Yeah. So I have explained a few things here. So before going to our topic, within 60 seconds, where we are generating the data, how do we store the data, and how do we can retrieve the data? See, within 60 seconds, how many users are connected to the internet world? I would like to know the statistics of this internet statistics, because we are generating huge volume of data. See, if you see 2.4 m Google searches happening within 60 seconds, and 3,47,222 tweets happening within 60 seconds, 6,94,000 video hours viewed within the 60 seconds. So like this, I would like to see practicals on internet statistics. See here. So if you click, you can see the world statistics. Sir, why do we want this data? To for a prediction of for of applications, classification, clustering, outlier detection. If you want to perform, we need to have a huge volume of data. If you click this URL, you can see the data is retrieving right now. My screen is visible, sir. Can you see my screen? Please respond. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can see, sir.
Yeah. Current
Yes,
world
sir.
population. Can you read anyone? Yeah. Can you read anyone this number? See, you cannot read such a huge number. See, 8 trillion 117 billion 899 million 400 something. See, current world population, and how I am retrieving this data by using this worldometers.info, world statistics. See, the number changes. Today births today. So can you read this number? 2,21,700 something. And this year, deaths today, see, 1,03,000 and something. See, this data I am generating with the help of this worldometer.info. So different country-wise population here. Then you can see the world population past, present, and future. So these statistics are very, very, very important, and we are storing a huge volume of data in order to predict the future value based on the past value by using regression models like linear regression, nonlinear regression, logistic regression, etc. See, this is world population forecast 2025 to 2050 also. We have they have predicted in this slide. So world population milestones: 10 billion 2058, 9 billion 2037, 8.1 billion current right now. See, this data uh, we are storing in the servers. How many servers are required to store huge volume of data? That's why we are going to use cloud computing concept, because cloud is a internet based technology. The backbone for cloud computing is data center and virtualization. What is meant by data center? Collection of high integrated servers at one place is called data center. Each MNC having their own data center. Okay, and virtualization is the ability to perform multiple tasks in a single system with the help of various virtualization technologies like VMware, hypervisor, Zen, Virtual Iron. uh, See, the best consumer of cloud computing is a Gmail account. See, every user account is a one instance of a Gmail server, which is located at the USA. So we should know the terminology of behind the data, what is happening, how do we store, and how do we calculate various applications. So by using this URL, you come to know. So now my screen is visible, sir. Hello, sir. My
Yes, sir.
screen is visible. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So with this internet livestats.com, you can find n number of statistics. So we are collecting the data. So with the help of this worldometer.info, we can find the huge volume of data we are storing in the servers and the data center. So same thing I have incorporated in this slide. So if number of users are increasing, automatically the data center also increases. That is called scalability. It is a very important characteristic of cloud computing. So I'm a corporate trainer. Usually I'm giving training on various technologies like artificial intelligence training. This is the syllabus I used to follow in corporate training. There are 13 subjects like introduction to AI, Python programming, probability and statistics, data structures and algorithms, database and data warehousing, generative AI. Today's topic is preparing data for generative models to develop various visualizations, various patterns. So then data science and data mining, natural language processing, big data technologies, artificial neural networks, machine learning, deep learning, augmented reality and virtual reality. And these are the case studies I have developed with the help of my scholars, MTech and PhD students. We have developed various case studies like groundwater and climate change data analysis using AI models, machine learning and deep learning models. And in COVID-19 virus prediction and detection, Omicron virus prediction and detection by using AI, ML and DL techniques, Ebola virus prediction and detection using AI, ML and DL techniques, and chronic diseases like prostate, breast, skin and lung cancer prediction and detection using AI, statistical ML and DL techniques. So this is artificial intelligence training. Uh, before going to our generative data, preparing the data, see if you how do you prepare the data? See, by using synthetic data you can create and you can download from the various sources like www.uci website. You can download standard data sets and a few more free data sets available like GitHub and Kaggle. You can download various data sets. So that how do you measure the data? Being a computer and a technical graduate, how do you measure the data? This is the way we are measuring the data. If you press capital A in the system cannot understand capital A. It internally it converts into ASCII format. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Capital A value is 65. If you divide it by 2, we are getting binary equivalent number is 100001. So that's why 1 bit is equal to 0 or 1, 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble, 8 bits is equal to 1 byte, 4 bytes is equal to 1 word, 4 words is equal to 1024 bytes, 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte, 1024 kilobyte is equal to 1 megabyte, 1024 megabytes is equal to 1 gigabyte, 1024 gigabytes is equal to 1 terabytes. After terabytes, petabytes, hexabytes, octabytes, zettabytes and yottabytes. Hi, I am Robo. My speed is 1 terabytes and my memory is 1 zettabyte. So before that Robo movie, we know up to some extent terminology and measuring the data. After seeing that movie, we came to know there is a terminology called zettabyte, yottabytes. So 1024 yottabyte is equal to 1 brontobyte. 1024 brontobyte is equal to 1 geobyte. So 1024 geobyte is 1 infinity. This is the way we are measuring the data in generative AI models. If you take same measurement in mathematical terminology, 1 kilobyte is 10 power 3, 1 megabyte is 10 power 6, gigabyte is 10 power 9, terabyte is 10 power 12, petabyte is 10 power 15, exabyte is 10 power 18, zettabyte is 10 power 21, yottabyte is 10 power 24, brontobyte is 10 power 27, geobyte is 10 power 30. This is the way we are measuring the data in storing, and we are storing data in servers and data centers. So this is the syllabus of data science. This is syllabus of Python programming, statistics and probability syllabus, data structures and algorithms, database management and warehousing, artificial intelligence. Under this artificial intelligence, we have concepts like generative AI. These are the 10 topics. I'll give a 10 minutes brief, then directly I'll jump into practical sessions. Okay. So in this generative AI model, we have generative adversarial networks, variational and autoencoders, autoregressive models, transformers, probabilistic graphic models, flow-based models, energy-based models, self-attention mechanisms, and neural autoregressive density estimators, deep generative models. So this is data mining, this is natural language processing, big data technologies, artificial neural networks, machine learning, and 3 approaches. Then deep learning. So this is the syllabus for AR, VR technology. Then these are the major projects under Artificial Intelligence Laboratory. I have completed nearly 150 projects so far we have executed, and for 4 years we have executed with the help of my scholars. We have successfully implemented this 150 projects are there. Can you see? So these are the 153 projects. Right now I am doing prediction and detection of soil properties using machine and deep learning techniques. Okay. So now one more interest application now I am going to generate under generative AI models. What is generative AI? Can anyone? Creating something new in automation. That is called generative AI models. By using, we have a generative adversarial networks, GAN models, and variational autoencoder models. So now I am going to demonstrate one important generative AI model. See, if I am asking Kishore sir, what is your date of birth? Immediately he is saying 15/7/1978 sir, my date of birth. So immediately he is saying. If I am asking the question, wrong question like this, very interesting question. When is our death date? See, sorry to say you for this question. When is our death date? Now all research is happening. How do we can find out our death date? See, there are auto-generative models like generative AI models. We have a model called life to vector. The solution is all scientists have been developed one application called when the approximate death date, and we are finding with help of life to vector. It is a model. Generative AI model. Model is nothing but simplified version of the reality. Okay. So this model gives us our death date, approximate death date, not accurate. They are still, it is in research. This model takes various inputs such as biological data, our date of birth, our height, weight, lifestyle of factors, environmental influences to predict an individual's potential lifespan. So height, weight, factors, genes, everything I am taking as an input data set. Then finally I am finding the lifespan, number of years. How many years can we live? So my question is, when is our death date? So now I am going to demonstrate this application. Can you see? Write a Python program, how a potential lifespan prediction can be made based on various input factors such as biological data, lifestyle factors, the way you are eating the food, exercises, genetic information, etc. What I am doing, I am importing life to vector model in Python programming. Then for visualization purpose, I am using matplotlib. So then I'm using NumPy for numerical calculations. Then define a function to predict the lifespan based on input data. Placeholder for prediction logic. Then example random lifespan prediction. Then I'm giving input data like biological data, gender, and cholesterol, BP, date of birth, height, weight, food factors, exercise, genes as a input of my application. So then predict the lifespan and plot the prediction graph. Now I'm going to demonstrate. I have given my own data as input parameters. Okay. Now I'm going to demonstrate. Please see here. So I think everybody knows Python programming. Sir, my screen is visible, sir. Sir, please respond.
Yes, visible, sir.
Yeah. So once Python you have installed in the Windows, just give this command Python. It gives us which version we are using, 3.12.2. So Python can be executed in two ways. One is a scripting way and one more is IDLE. So now this is called IDLE, Integration Development Learning Environment. Now I'm using a scripting way because I want to write my own program and I want to test. So here a notepad, I'm writing my own program, lifespan. See, my program name is a lifespan.py Python extension. So this is the program. See, this is the program. Write a Python program, okay, is to demonstrate how a potential lifespan prediction can be made based on various parameters. Sir, my screen is visible.
Yeah, continue, sir. Continue, sir.
Yeah. So this is the program I have explained just now. So what I am doing, I am executing Python space lifespan. See, so I have given my own input parameters. See, now based on my data, my input data, the predicted lifespan is 78 years. See here, the output. So actual versus predicted lifespan by using life to vector is a generative model, generative AI model. So like this, you can demonstrate your own lifespan of a human being. So that's why, 1 second. So that is one application I have demonstrated right now. One more application, very interesting application. See, we have translators. Because I am in Australia right now. Here, many people are speaking in their own language. In my research laboratory, maximum Chinese people are there. They used to use Mandarin language. So sometimes everybody in their mobile translators are there, easy to translate from one language to another language. But how to develop such type of application, I am going to demonstrate one application. So write a Python program, demonstrate from English language to Telugu language. One application I will show you within 1 minute. Then we will go for our preparing data for generative models. Okay. So such type of applications, how to do here, see. So I am opening a notepad space, English to Chinese, English to Telugu. One application I am going to demonstrate. Why write a Python program is to demonstrate how to use the Google Trans library. It is a package in Python to translate English text into Telugu language. Okay. Now see what I have written in this. So Python to Telugu. So I have given how are you. See, I have taken input as a hello, how are you. In Telugu, it is saying hello, meer ela unnaru. See, you can develop your own application in a translation. We are using already this application in our mobile phone, but what I am saying, how to develop such type of applications. Generative AI will help you. Suppose one more application, very popular, one of the Japan scientist has been developed, how our facial expression changes over the period, like from first year baby, how you look like, then 5 years old baby, then 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, how you look like, how your facial expression changes over the period. Such type of applications we are developing with help of generative adversarial networks, GANs. Very powerful application. I am going to demonstrate such type of applications. See, this is one more application, Hindi to English to Hindi, and I have taken input same. Hello, how are you? It will display आप namaste, आप कैसे है. Same thing in Chinese language. I have developed this program by using Google Trans. So this very interested applications. Now I am going to demonstrate all the practicals. Okay. So my dear faculty members, if you are having any doubts, please post your query in the chat box. How to develop generative AI models, so that I will help you in future also. If you want to make collaborate with research, so here is my address, and I have a YouTube channel. You can check in YouTube, type my name, Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. You will get, and you can find 258 videos are presented. I have demonstrated like this various technologies. Okay, and please, how many are there total? Maybe 50 to 70 members. Please take 1 minute time. You can subscribe my channel and write your own comment on any video. Okay, and this is the syllabus in artificial intelligence. These are the 10 topics I am going to demonstrate, each topic with the practical application. So I think everybody knows generative AI. Generative AI is nothing but creating something new for automation. In automation, to develop various applications by using generative adversarial networks called GANs, variational autoencoders VANs, and EBMs, NADEs, etc. So there are 50 steps to learn AI from basic to advanced. If you see, understand AI types and definitions, you are ending with work on interdisciplinary AI projects. See, this is the 50th topic in AI. In between, there are various subject, everything, all computer science subjects comes under here. Not only computer science, once you are perfect step 1 to step 50, you are going to develop multidisciplinary subjects, interdisciplinary subject projects. You can deal very easily because you are familiar with AI models. AI models consist of statistical models, machine learning models, and deep learning models. And nowadays we are extending AI. We are using explainable AI models and transformers and generative AI models. Okay. So the origin of AI, I think everybody knows. It starts from AI finds roots in ancient Greek myths, and Turing's impact 1950s. Dartmouth conference, it started artificial intelligence 1956. Early AI programs 56 to 57. Then we have started machine learning 1980s, expert system 1980s, and artificial intelligence resurgence 21st century right now. So main creating machines capable of performing automation tasks, we are using this artificial intelligence. Intelligent behavior in a machine. The science and engineering to develop intelligent based applications. It is a simulation, human intelligence using by machines. Okay, by by using various models like ML and DL techniques. So that's why AI is very powerful subject right now. Everybody must inculcate in the field of artificial intelligence so that you can contribute in interdisciplinary, multidisciplinary subjects, and you can handle various research projects. So these are the 15 applications of artificial intelligence like virtual assistants. Best example, Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. And predictive maintenance, we are using proactive maintenance and minimizing downtime. Then image recognition applications, we are using generative AI models. Natural language processing applications like chatbots, especially chatbots like Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, etc. In medical diagnosis, we are using generative AI models. Fraud detection, we are using object detection. In computer vision, we are using various applications. Then object language translation. Just now I have shown one generative AI model application in natural language processing, conversion of one language to another language by using Google Trans. Google Trans is a model. It is a library package in order to develop from one language to another language. So then reinforcement learning, it is one of the approach under machine learning, especially for developing game applications on chess, Go, and video games. So these are the AI algorithms. Various types of algorithms are there. Then these are the top 10 most popular AI models. See now, starts with linear regression and ends with the deep neural networks, convolutional neural networks, long short-term memory models, etc. So I think everybody knows linear regression. Y is equal to mx plus c, and this is algorithm steps, and this is the program, and this is the demonstration of linear regression. We are predicting the future value based on the past values. This is the graph I have generated. Likewise, multiple linear regression, one more application. And this is the code for non-linear regression model. This is the graph I have generated. And logistic regression for prediction models. This is a prediction model application. This is the difference between a linear regression, logistic regression. And logistic regression says the final output, if it is presented, it gives 1. If it is not presented, it gives 0. Then this is the logistic regression graph. Then support vector machine for a heart disease data set. Nowadays, in all over the world, sudden heart attacks are coming. I have collected symptoms of heart disease. Then I have applied support vector supervised learning under machine learning approach. I have developed the program, and this is the data set I have taken, heart data set input data. And because of time, I am rushing, because my ultimate goal is generative AI. That's why I'm skipping all these practical demonstration. So the final output, I'm getting a heart disease data set output. Same way, write a Python program. It aims to provide insights into the practical applications of artificial intelligence. So in artificial intelligence, which subjects are very powerful? Explainable AI is powerful. Federated learning, my dear friends, transfer learning, generative adversarial networks. See, now this application I am going to demonstrate. Okay, so I have written the program, define a dictionary with applications for each topic by using Python dictionary concept, and function to find out top 10 applications of generative AI models, get the top 10 applications. Now see, now I am going to demonstrate this one. AI, see, my screen is visible, sir. Notepad, space, AI top 10.py, Python. So write a Python program. It provides insights into the practical applications of artificial intelligence. So we are defining our generative AI syllabus. This is generative AI syllabus, and I have declared as a dictionary in Python. and I'm finding the get top 10 applications of generative AI model. Now see I'm demonstrating Python space AI top 10 applications. See, uh, my dear friends, my screen is visible. Can anyone read what are the top 10 applications of artificial intelligence? Can anyone read?
Multitask,
Please.
learning, sentiment analysis, game playing,
Perfect.
customer
Learning,
Customer
sentiment
segmentation.
analysis, game
Yes.
playing, customer
fine-tuning.
segmentation, semantic web,
Perfect.
fine-tuning,
Game
pre-trained
playing,
models, drug
customer
discovery,
segmentation,
object recognition,
semantic
autonomous
web,
vehicles,
drug
distributed data
discovery,
collaboration.
object
Fantastic.
detection,
Fantastic answers.
autonomous vehicles, distributed data collaboration.
Do you want to finish your phone call and come back and answer a question? Yes. 2 minutes?
2 hours.
3 hours?
Thank you. Okay. My beside tenant. Okay. So these are the top 10 applications of artificial intelligence. Now moving to next topic. Very good. Thanks for reading various applications of artificial intelligence. Now see one more application. How to develop a Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant applications. Can anyone see here? Write a Python program is to create a basic implementation. See, we are using already automated applications like chatbot applications like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. How to develop your own applications like this, mimicking functionalities similar to popular virtual assistants. See, this is the program, and import regression and import date and time class virtual assistant. I'm developing similar kind of application. Then simple question answer pair for demonstration. Then dummy function to simulate controlling smart devices. And see, now I'm going to demonstrate this application, how to develop a simple kind of this virtual assistants application. Notepad space virtual assistant.py. So this is the program. Write a Python program is to create a basic implementation of a virtual assistant, mimicking functionalities similar to popular virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. So now I am demonstrating this application, Python space virtual assistant.py. See, now it is asking the question. Welcome to virtual assistant. You can ask me to set a reminder. What purpose you are using Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, etc. So now I have developed my own application. It is asking. Suppose remove a reminder, show your reminders, ask questions, or control devices. So what can I do for you? So just simple, you can say yes. So sorry, I didn't understand that command. No. Suppose I'm giving no. So sorry, I didn't, because we have to store all the experts. We need to develop expert system that consists of if then rules. We are building up the expert system by using if then rules, conditions, constraints. Number of constraints, if you are increasing, automatically you are increasing the accuracy of your virtual assistant application. So likewise, we are developing various applications under this virtual assistant application. Next. So next program, write a Python program to visualize a simple moving average crossover trading strategy. Very interesting application nowadays. Sensex, like trading applications. See, you are purchasing shares, and every second the data is changed. So financial data set depicting buy and sell signals alongside price movements for analysis. Why I am explaining this application? It is also comes under a generative AI model. So I am declaring libraries like pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and string.io. provided data set. I have taken the data set columns like date, price, open, high, low, and volume, change, etc. So then I'm generating this application, how my share market is ongoing. Please see here. So I'm going to demonstrate notepad space trading. So trading application, this is the program. Write a Python program to visualize a simple moving average crossover trading strategy applied to a sample financial data set depicting buy and sell signals alongside price movements for analysis. So now I'm executing this application, Python space trading. So now it is executing this application, trading application, by using generative AI model. See here, my output screen is visible, sir. Please respond. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, my screen is, moving average crossover trading strategy. Here price 5 days SMA, 20 days SMA, buy signal, sell signal, price, buy signal. So likewise, we can generate various data visualizations with help of generative AI models like GANs and VANs. GAN is nothing but generative adversarial networks and variational autoencoders. So likewise, you can develop n number of applications. Next, one more application, see here, sentiment analysis. How sentiment analysis, Narendra Modi sir won the elections, so he sent SMSs and some other publicity of electronic publicity, and he collected the data from various states, which states are lagging his opinion. So recently in Telangana also, they won nearly 8 or 7 seats because of his publicity all over the world. So data scientists and machine learning engineers sit together, and then they took the data from various places, and they stored, and they pre-processed, and they have applied the generative AI models, which states are giving good positive sign for Narendra Modi sir, and which states are lagging. So this sort of application, see what I have done. I have collected the sample data set, then I have applied this application. So sentiment analysis. So this is the output I got it. If it is a sentiment score is high in so and so state, so if you apply in product, I love this product, this is great, not bad, it's okay. How many people are voting for Narendra Modi? How many people are rejecting? Such type of applications we can see. And one more application, write a Python program, is to demonstrate AI algorithms can be utilized to detect anomalies in cyber security. How do we can use generative AI models to detect and to find criminal activities and cyber threats in real-time environment. This application also I have demonstrated, and see here, cyber attack. I am going to demonstrate this one. Notepad space cyber attack. Okay, so this is the program. Write a Python program is to demonstrate how AI algorithms, generative AI algorithms, can be utilized to detect anomalies in network traffic data, thereby enhancing cyber security measures like this. So this application, Python space cyber attack. So now see, now so and so places, so and so IP address, there is an anomaly, means something error, something fishy, something nonsense, something cyber attack, cyber criminal activities happened. So which is the date, and what is the port number, I mean IP address, internet protocol address, and so the port number. Likewise, we can detect anomalies by using generative AI models. Okay, keep in mind. So this is one more application. Recently, one project, AI for smart policing. So in traffic data, especially in traffic data. So how do we use generative AI models? By using this CNN model and RNN model I have used, and we are finding the crime hotspots and real-time anomaly detection in surveillance footage and sensor data, and sentiment analysis for social media. So let's take input crime reports data set. So this is the data set, report ID, date, time, location, crime type, description, status, whether it is investigating, case is open, case is closed, like this. So I have executed this application, crime hotspot identification by using k-means clustering. So this is the program. Write a Python program to identify crime hotspot by using clustering similar locations based on crime occurrences using k-means clustering. So this is the data set, and this is the program I have applied. And finally, I got in x-axis location, in y-axis crime type, crime hotspot identification. Okay, like that. And the second application by using advanced AI technologies like generative AI and blockchain and IoT, big data in 5G in a seaport security applications. Recently, this project also, one of my students implemented real-time application. This is seaport security management, very good application. So there we have used like anomaly detection, object recognition, predictive modeling to maritime security context. We have taken input data set like this: entry ID, date, time, location, event type, description, secure, weather, surveillance, access logs, sensor data, surveillance, cargo manifest. We have to find out the that anomaly detection. So this is the program we have executed, and this is the graph we have generated. X-axis date and y-axis we have taken entry ID. This is seaport security application. Then see, so far I have explained advanced concepts of AI. Now today topic is now our actual topic, preparing data for generative models and generative visualization with generative models. See here, what is meant by preparing data for generative models? We are using various pre-processing techniques for collecting the data, cleaning the data, and pre-processing the data to make suitable for training generative models like GAN, Generative Adversarial Networks, VAN, and variational autoencoders. These are the two powerful models, my dear friends. Keep in mind, if you want to develop various applications, we can develop very easily. So how do you can do pre-processing? So there may be a missing values, dirty values, inconsistent values, noisy data, redundant values. By using various pre-processing techniques like binning, box plot techniques, various filters to pre-process the data. So these are the two important topics today: preparing data for generative models. This is second part is generating visualization with the generative models. So here model is nothing but simplified version of the reality. I am using generative AI. Generative AI is nothing but creating something new. That means we are handling a realistic data, audio, video, text, graphics, animation, and all. Then visualize data distributions, providing insights into data patterns and aiding in decision making process. We are using GANs and VANs. So I have explained already what is meant by generative AI: creating something new, creating new data, content such as image data, text data, audio data, video data, graphics, animation, etc. Then generative AI is used to create new original data which can enhance the creativity, improve automation, and provide personalized user experience across various applications. So these are the top 10 topics of generative AI models. So generative adversarial networks, this is a powerful technique. What it consists of: GANs consists of neural networks like a generator and a discriminator that compete against each other to create realistic data samples. For that purpose, see, defaking, best example. I am going to demonstrate. See, recently Rashmika Mandana says that this is not my image. See, some crazy people are created such type of defaking application. So by using GANs, we can create. I'm going to demonstrate that application. Then by using variational autoencoders, we are decode it back, generating new data samples similar to the input values by using various variational autoencoder neural networks that encode input data into latent space. Then transformer model. What is meant by transformer model? It is similar to neural networks designed to process sequential data. Especially, we are using this application in natural language processing. So self-attention mechanisms, we are using transfer models. Then self-supervised learning. What is meant by supervised learning? So there is a label, there is a target class. Based on the target and labeled, we are classifying the data with the help of supervised learning algorithms like support vector machine, random forest, decision tree, Bayesian networks, okay, and neural networks comes under supervised learning. Here, self-supervised learning is nothing but, and we are training the model and we are on the data with automatically generated labels, enabling them to learn useful representations without extensive labeled data sets. That is called self-supervised learning. Then text generation. With the help of generative pre-trained transformers, even Chat GPT is a best example for text generation. It is a AI-based generative AI model application. So test sequences, it will ask which, suppose you are asking what is my date of birth, immediately it says then what is your age, then what are your hobbies, related sequential data it can generate. Then image synthesis. So image synthesis means we are generating realistic images like Rashmika Mandana image I am giving as input. It can create a realistic image similar to such same image from scratch to based on specific input, utilizing techniques like GAN, generative adversarial networks, and variational autoencoders. Then we can use music composition, learning pattern, structure from existing composition, and next style transfer. Style transfer. So it is used in image, especially visual style of one image to the content of another image. We are morphing, typically using neural networks application. Then data augmentation, it increases the diversity of training data by applying random transformations such as rotation, scaling. In graphics, we are using two-dimensional rotation, three-dimensional rotation, scaling to existing data samples. Then the last topic, synthetic data generation, means we are creating artificial data that is called synthetic data that can be used to train machine learning models, and like supervised learning models, unsupervised learning models, reinforcement learning models. It is helping to overcome data scarcity and privacy issues. Now, by using generative AI for data visualization, I'm going to demonstrate with the help of, we can use this topic in finance, healthcare, marketing, etc. Two major libraries I'm using, Matplotlib and Seaborn. Matplotlib is a very powerful library in Python programming, ggplot in R programming. I think everybody knows MATLAB and R programming for data visualization. Here in Python programming, we are using Matplotlib and Seaborn. So Seaborn, especially for a high-level interface, drawing attractive and informative graphics, especially for static data visualization we are using. So there are 10 major applications of generative AI. In finance, you can use, healthcare sector, you can use, in marketing, retail, manufacturing, etc. In education field also we are using generative and visual learning tools, transportation, energy, telecommunication, urban planning, we are using generative AI models. These are the generative AI applications and use cases. See, where we are using generative AI, art and design, music composition, content creation, virtual workloads, fashion and product design, financial forecasting, customer behavior analysis, then demand forecasting, healthcare diagnosis, fraud detection, etc. These are the top AI use cases: customer experience, supply chain management, human resources, fraud detection, knowledge creation, customer service, and customer insights, predictive analytics, pricing and promotion, especially in trading applications. So these are the generative AI applications, top 10 game-changing applications of generative AI across industries. Then in Matplotlib, few applications I will demonstrate how to generate a line plot, scatter plot, bar plot, histogram, and a pie chart, box plot, violin plot, heat map, contour plot, surface plot. These are the various visualizations I am going to demonstrate right now. So write a Python program to demonstrate how to create a line plot using Matplotlib. What I am doing, I am importing library called matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. For my convenience, I am writing PLT. For data, sample data I am taking x-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and y-axis I am taking 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Now I am creating a line plot by using plt.plot x comma y, x-axis, y-axis. So marker 0 and point, then line style is dash, then we are adding the labels. Hash indicates here comment section, add labels and title. So x-axis and y-axis I'm writing the label, then plt dot title, line plot example, then show grid. So all chessboard type grid I am getting. If it is true, it will display show plot. So now I'm demonstrating this application here. See here. So notepad space matplotlib. So matplot demo, first application, write a Python program to demonstrating how to create a line plot using matplotlib. Now Python space matplotlib library demo. See now. So now my screen is visible, sir. Please respond. Hello.
Yes, sir.
In x-axis, yeah, thank you. In x-axis, I have taken the scale, and y-axis, I have taken the in the y-axis scale. So this is line plot example. Same way, I am going to demonstrate one more application. See here. Then write a Python program that demonstrate creating a scatter plot, bar plot, and histogram using matplotlib. For that one, what I am doing, so I'm importing libraries like matplotlib, numpy, then generate sample data, create a scatter plot, then create a bar plot, so then create histogram, adjust layout and display plots. In all together, 3 graphs I am going to demonstrate here. Okay. See here, notepad space. So my file name is matplot1. See here, write a Python program that demonstrates creating and scatter plot, a bar plot and histogram using matplotlib. Now Python space matplot. Okay, see now. Now it is going to demonstrate a very interesting application for your research. You can use this type of graph so that it can visualization is very attractive, and your paper will accept for various journals like scatter plot, see x-axis and y-axis and data points, sine wave. Then bar plot, it categorize values and categorize bar plot. Then histogram, bins, number of bins and frequency. Like this, you can generate various matplotlib applications. Now I'm going to one application I want to develop by using generative model. See here, write a Python program. We need to train a generative model by using generative adversarial networks like GAN. Up to 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock, sir? Hello, sir? Kishore, sir?
Up to
Sir,
4, sir.
okay. Still
Yes,
40
sir.
minutes is,
4,
yeah.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So write a Python program. See, I'm generating the data. First, I'm creating synthetic data. Synthetic data set, how to create? See, we can create our own data by knowing the columns like viral. Suppose my aim is to find out how many types of viral diseases are there in the worldwide. I would like to categorize and classify, and if the data is complex, I'll go for clustering, outlier detection, association rule mining, whatnot, by using generative models like GAN and VAN, variational autoencoders. I can use, I can visualize the results and enabling enhanced healthcare diagnostics through simulated patient data. Now see the viral disease data set. One example, ID number 1, age 34, gender M, temperature 102, symptoms, cough and fever, and white blood cell count 11,000, viral load 1500. So obviously the target class is influenza. You can see second row, ID number 2, age 25, gender female, temperature 100.1, symptoms sore throat, fever, white blood cell count is 9,000, viral load is 500, diagnosis common cold. So various diagnoses like measles and COVID-19, norovirus and chicken pox, and these are the various types of diagnosis. Now for that one, what I am doing, I am writing generative adversarial network to predict the what type of viral disease. So if it gives output is 0 means no disease. If it gives 1 means the disease is what type of disease. So I'm importing TensorFlow. TensorFlow is a major library in Python. It is especially we are using for big data applications, artificial intelligence application, machine and deep learning applications. Now in generative AI, we are using TensorFlow as TF. TF is for convenience purpose. I'm writing. Then TensorFlow.keras. Keras is also one of the big library, but TensorFlow is a 550 MB file, whereas Keras is a 270 MB file. So the biggest library in Python, I mean, especially in generative AI models, we are using TensorFlow. So that is very big library, and we are importing that Keras layers for performing import dense, reshape, flatten functionalities, leaky activation function called leaky relu, and batch normalization. If anything missing values, I mean redundant values, dirty values, inconsistent values, we are using a pre-processing technique called batch normalization. Then we are using models like sequential model. Then we are importing optimizer like Adam. Then we are importing matplotlib for generating visualization. Import numpy as np, pandas as pd. Then now this is the data set. Just now I have shown the data set. This is the data set I have taken as input data set. Then now normalize only numerical data for each generative adversarial network. Then define GAN components, so like sequential and discriminator, batch normalization, dense function, leaky activation function, and batch normalization. Everything we are declaring. Then we are using one more function called discriminator. Then build generator. Then optimizer. We have already declared for Adam for calculation of metrics like accuracy, and build and compile the GAN, then train the GAN model epochs. I'm taking 100 iterations, batch size is 16, train discriminator, then train generator, print the progress, generate new patient data, denormalize the generated data, then visualize the final generated data. See now, this application I am going to demonstrate various graphs I am generating. Okay, so that graphs, if you see, oh, this is very good application, sir. I want to develop for my research. So if anybody interested, collaborate with me for preparing research articles, preparing research proposals, and I'm going to help you if you are stuck in so and so place in programming and generating results applications. Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate this one. So the first application, this is our core part of today's workshop. So notepad space generative, I have given the names like generative AI, first application. So write a Python program is to train a generative adversarial network, that is GAN, to generate a realistic synthetic healthcare data. Just now I have shown the patient data for classifying viral diseases and visualize the results, enabling enhanced healthcare diagnostics through simulated patient data. So this program I have explained already. Okay, so this is the data I have taken as from input data set. So I have explained. Now see I am going to demonstrate Python space generative AI, different visualizations you can see. So it takes time, 2 minutes time. Meanwhile, my dear friends, please just open your YouTube YouTube channel. See, subscribe my channel. I would like to see. It will take 2 minutes for executing this application. Now it is generating. See, for every step it is generating a model. See, generative adversarial networks means it can create function and a discriminator and generator. Every iteration it can perform and make sure that each variable and parameters can extract minute level features by using GAN generative AI model, and it will give output. My dear friends, can I see how many of you subscribe my channel? It takes 2 minutes time. Can I see? So just go to YouTube, type Dr. Asadi, Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. So now I am demonstrating application. Please see here. If you click Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu, you will get my name and number of subscribers. See, so far only 5 members subscribe. Please do remaining. Yeah. See, remaining faculty members, it is my sincere request. Please subscribe my channel and forward to your friends and students. See here, now the fantastic results I have demonstrated. Can you see? My graph is visualized. My dear sir, please acknowledge me. Today's workshop is visualizations. My dear friends, generative, preparing data. Just now I have explained how to create synthetic data. We can create our own data, is called synthetic data. Now after that I have applied generative adversarial networks. Now see, first graph, x-axis I have taken age and y-axis I have taken frequency and generated age. For age related one bar chart I have created. And for generated temperature, x-axis I have taken temperature, number of patients I have taken, and frequency. So what type of disease is frequently based on the temperature we can predict. Then generated WBC count, white body cells. So white blood cells count, see here, x-axis I have taken white blood cell count and y-axis frequency. So which type of viral disease we can find out. then generated viral load. See here, in x-axis I have taken viral load, and y-axis I have taken frequency, and this is one more bar chart. Very interesting, my dear friends. Any response from your from audience? Any queries so
Yes,
far?
sir. Interesting.
Oh, very good, very good. So now see, 11 members subscribed, sir. Remaining, please do it once. 1 minute, it takes time. I will demonstrate again. 10 applications are there. Don't worry. I will demonstrate like this every day. I'm creating numerous applications and numerous
Sir, channel name,
presentations I'm
sir.
giving in the worldwide. Yeah.
Channel name.
Dr. Asadi, ASADI. Dr. Asadi, ASADI space SRINIVASULU. Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. Type my
Okay.
name, my dear friends. Yeah. I think you are finding my name in the YouTube channel. Yes or no? Can I show? I will show you here. At least see now. What is the data set I have created? Hello, my dear friends. I have created the data set: age, temperature, white blood cell count, viral load. See, this is the data set, and I have applied GANs. So what is the loss, accuracy, everything I have generated here. Now, one more interesting application I would like to show you. So this is the final output. Just now I have demonstrated. This is the graph. I got it. Okay. And the next application. Please see here. Write a Python program is to demonstrate how generative AI can be utilized for data visualization using Python libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn. I have explained already. For data visualization, you need to use very important libraries called Matplotlib and Seaborn to generate insightful and interactive visual representations of synthetic customer data. See what I have done. I have created a synthetic data, uh, synthetic customer data. Then I have imported NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn. These are the various libraries of Python programming. So age, income, I have taken, spending score. Then plotting the graph, scatter plot of age versus income. See, our topic is today's topic is data visualization, my dear friends. You need to develop applications likewise. I'll share this PPT to you. You can utilize, you can use for your research. No, don't worry about material. I'm going to share with you. But I'm requesting, please subscribe my channel. But still few people, why should I subscribe? They are thinking like that. Okay. So this is a scatter plot of age versus income. I'm going to show you practical demonstration. Then bar plot of spending score by age group. Then box plot for income by age group. Then I'm using heat map for the correlation matrix. So now I'm going to demonstrate this application. See here. So now I'm clearing the screen. What is the command? CLS. So CLS I'm using notepad space and generative AI second application. See, write a Python program is to demonstrate how generative AI can be utilized for data visualization using Python libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn to generate insightful and interactive visual representations of synthetic customer data. Just now I have explained. Now I am going to demonstrate this application. Python space generative, see, a customer data, generative AI. Now it see beautiful graphs it is generated. My screen is visible, sir. Kishore sir, please respond.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, my screen is visible. Yeah. Now see, first graph, age versus income. So in x-axis I have taken age and y-axis I have taken income. I have generated the scatter plot. This is called a scatter plot. Then spending score by age group. See here in y-axis I have taken average spending score. Okay, and age group. Then box plot. See here income distribution by age group. So in x-axis I have taken age group. In y-axis I have taken income and I have generated box plot. Very, very important graph. Then finally heat map, that is called correlation matrix. In x-axis I have taken this column names and spending score income. So likewise, you can generate data visualizations by using Matplotlib and Seaborn. These two are very important libraries in Python programming. My dear friends, very interesting. Any more queries, please? My dear participants, I am giving time, 1 minute time. Please ask me doubts. If you are having any doubts, please ask me. And still we have a n number of applications. I am going to demonstrate, don't worry. Any doubts? Hello. If you are unable to ask doubts, please post your queries in the chat box. Any doubts? Sir, can you check in the chat box? Sir, how many members are there? Why they are not asking? Let me see, sir. Why they are not asking any doubt? Hello. Hello, my dear friends. Why you are not asking any doubts? Are you understanding? My language is comfortable for you.
Yes, sir.
Then Murli Krishna sir, no sir, what he is saying something. Murli Krishna sir, please ask me doubt. Hello, Murli Krishna sir. You are saying no sir. What is, why you are saying no? Tell me what you are not understanding so that let me explain once again for you. Murli Krishna sir. Oh, I said no doubt. Okay, sir. Thank you. And any doubts? Any doubts, sir? How many are there, sir?
Sir, till
Hello,
now we
sir.
have 64 participants, sir.
64. Okay.
Sir,
Such a
currently.
wonderful workshop. Why people are not registering for such type of latest technology in artificial intelligence? We need to update in the field of artificial intelligence. It's okay. So now my screen is visible, sir. Can I move to next application?
Sure, sir. We can. It is visible.
Yeah, thank you. So scatter plot. Why we are using scatter plot? It gives the relationship between age and income with spending score and influencing color and size. Then bar plot. Why we are using? So spending score across different age groups. Box plot shows income distribution within each age group. Heat map. It represents the correlation matrix for age, income, and spending score. Likewise, here are the top 10 major tools of generative AI. We are using Chat GPT-4. What is GPT? Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3. If you are go with the licensed version 4.0, but you have to pay the amount monthly. I think I don't know how much amount they are taking. So it is advanced generative AI model, which is developed by OpenAI and Samsung. You know, is a very is the first person this chat GPT developed from OpenAI company. So it generates human like text based given prompts. It is just like a senior. If you are asking a senior any question, senior is responding. Same way chat GPT also responding. Then doll E. It is also a neural network by OpenAI that creates images. You know, for our research purpose, we can use DAL-E for architectural design or flowchart based diagram. If you want to create, you can use DAL-E. Then Deep Dream, It is one more generative AI tool. It enhances and generates images based on neural network interpretations. Then style GAN. It is also developed by, it is also using generative adversarial networks by NVIDIA that produces high quality and realistic images. Especially we are creating defaking image. Now I'm going to demonstrate defaking application by using GAN. I'm taking again Rashmika Mandana as input. I will create such type of realistic image. Then BERT, it is one more generative AI tool. BERT, the expansion is bidirectional encoder representations from transformers. So, which is developed by Google, designed for natural language understanding task. Then Runway ML. So it is also one of the generative AI tool, and it provides a variety of generative models for art design and other creative projects. Then Big GAN. Big GAN is one of the Google research that generates high resolution images. See, nowadays in our camera also we are getting HD, high definition, high resolution images. Then VAE, vector quantized variational autoencoder. So it is a model. Model is nothing but simplified version of the reality. It combines both variational autoencoders and generative adversarial networks to generate high quality images and audio. Then MuseNet, it is also one of the generative AI model. It is developed by OpenAI that generates 4-minute musical composition with 10 different instruments. Then the 10th AI tool is Talk to Transformer. It is also one of the best tool, web-based tool that allows users to generate text using GPT-3 based on their input prompts. Then these are the top 10 tools just now I have explained. So Duet AI, ChatGPT, Scribe, Alpha Code, GitHub, Copilot, GPT-4, Bard, Google having, Cohere, DALL-E2, Claude, Synthesia, okay, etc. These are the generative AI tools. Then these are the top 10 major techniques. Just now I have explained two models like generative adversarial networks, and here in this technique we are using generator and a discriminator that compete to produce realistic data. For that purpose only we are using generative adversarial networks, and variational autoencoders we are using. It encode the data into a latent space and then decode it back, allowing for the generation of new data samples. Then one more technique called transformer models. It is used for sequential data generation. Then self-supervised learning. So we are using a pre-training on large data sets like Facebook data, then NASA data, YouTube data, audio, video, stock market data, etc., weather forecasting data. Then text generation, we are using ChatGPT, generative pre-trained transformers 3 and 4 to generate coherent and contextually relevant text based on input prompts. Then sixth technique is image synthesis. Here also we are using realistic images by encoding, by decoding. Two techniques like GAN and WAN we are using. Then music composition, we are generating original music compositions by using this technique. Style transformer, one image to the content of another image using convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, long short-term memory networks. In style transformer we are using artistic style. Then data augmentation is one of the technique of generative AI, and we are using by applying random transformations to existing data, enhancing model robustness. Then 10th one is a synthetic data generation. So we can create our own data, that is called artificial data. Then it resembles realistic data, real-time data. Then these are the generative AI techniques. like generative adversarial networks, variational autoencoders, auto reinforcement learning, transformers we are using. In this one, we are using explainable AI, federated learning, very interesting applications, generative AI models. So most popular and world famous application, I think everybody knows generative AI is deepfake technology. Deepfake technology. So this deepfake technology uses two techniques, two models, GAN and VAN, variational autoencoders. Especially these techniques are used to synthetic media where the person in an existing image like video replaced with someone else like likeness. Like I'll show you one. If you want to create any digital avatars, you can use this GAN and VANs like this. See, deep fake images, video, how to identify which one is original, which one is deep fake. Okay. See, original is left side and deep fake image. Very interesting application, my dear Kishore, my dear participants. How to create such type of deep fake images you have seen in the newspaper. But being a technology person, you need to develop your own application. Okay. So for this one, now I'm going to write a program, write a Python program is to generate a synthetic handwritten. First, I'll show you handwritten digits using generative adversarial networks and visualize the results through various graphical representation. For that one, what I am doing, I am importing TensorFlow as TF from I am from Keras, TensorFlow. I'm using various functionalities like dense, flatten, reshape, and activation function, batch normalization. Then TensorFlow directly I'm using models like sequential model and optimizers like ADAM model. Then for visualization purpose, I'm using Matplotlib. I'm importing NumPy. Then load and pre-process the, I have taken MNIST standard data set, not synthetic data set. Standard data set I have taken. Then define GAN components here. See, these many generative adversarial network components I'm taking. Like I'm declaring my class name is generator, build generator. Under that I'm using so many models. Otherwise, you cannot get the original image of that deep fake image. So you need to declare so many functionalities. So now I have taken handwritten application. So these many functionalities under the build generator I'm using. Then build discriminator I'm using. Under this I'm using so many functionalities. And one more is build GAN and optimizer like ADAM I'm using. Then build and compile the GAN, generative adversarial network. Then training the model, I'm using iterations like 100 and batch size is 64. And then I'm using, I'm finding the accuracy, loss, number of epochs, generate and visualize the new images. See now I'm going to demonstrate this application, generative AI application. See, CLS to clear the screen, notepad space, generative. See, this is the program. Write a Python program is to generate synthetic handwritten digits using generative adversarial networks to visualize the results through various graphical representation. So now Python space generative AI. See now, it takes time 2 to 3 minutes. Now it is going to execute. Okay. Let me check my YouTube channel how many members subscribed. Hello, my dear friends. So far, only 27 members subscribed, sir. Remaining members, see, number of functions we have used in the GAN, generative adversarial networks. My dear friends, remaining members, it takes 2 minutes time to execute. See, now my system is, sir, my screen is visible, sir. It is showing number of iterations. Hello, my dear
Yes.
friends.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, now it is going to create deep fake images of handwritten images which I have taken as input, and it will generate deep fake images of handwritten digits. Okay. So any doubts? Meanwhile, my dear friends, please ask me. Hello. Please ask me any doubts. If you are not asking doubts, you cannot increase your knowledge in this generative AI models. It is the latest technology in artificial intelligence. See, when I started in IIIT Allahabad, my specialization is intelligent systems in 2002. I have joined, by that time onwards, I am using artificial intelligence subject in all the fields. I was in teaching faculty from 2020 onwards. I am in the corporate world right now. Okay. So this is the image I got it, deep fake images of handwritten images. So likewise, you can generate various applications. See now. Now one more application I would like to show you, very interesting application. Handwritten digits using generative adversarial networks, GAN, and visualize the results. Then one more application, see here, write Python program is to train, same NIST data set I have created. Sir, how much time is there? Kishore sir?
10 minutes, sir.
Oh, 10 minutes. I have to take the queries. Okay. See this one, build and compile GAN and training GAN. I have taken epochs 100. So same application I have generated here. See final output, I got it. So this is one more application. I'll demonstrate same thing. See CLS to clear the screen and notepad space GANs.py. Generative adversarial. Write a Python program is to train generative adversarial network to generate realistic images from the MNIST dataset. Using generator to create new images and using discriminator to distinguish between real and generated images. That means generated image means a deep fake image by using visualizing the generated images. So you can, if you execute Python space GANs, so it will give you deep fake images of MNIST data set. I have taken synthetic data set. Okay, so now it is building the model. First, it is building the model GAN, generative adversarial model. For every iteration, it can generate generation for automation automatically. For every step, I kept 100 epochs, so that 100 epochs it can yeah, various various functionalities. It is working on that generative AI model. I'm using GAN. Now see, now it is going to generate. It takes 2 minutes time. So meanwhile, I will show you here output. Okay, and see one more application I would like to say, variational encoder application I would like to show you. So let me check whether it is given input or not. Still it is executing because I kept 100 epochs, means iterations. So 100 epochs. So let me, because of time, I'm showing one more application. Write a Python program, train generative AI model, that is variational autoencoder. Now I'm going to utilize a VAE model, variational autoencoder model, to generate realistic images. See now, this is the output I got it for this program. Now it is completed. This is the same MNIST application I got it. Okay. So CLS. Now I am going to demonstrate last application because of time. Variational autoencoder application. So same, I have declared, I have taken the MNIST data, then parameters, encoder, sampling function, decoder, models, apply custom loss layer, compile the model, training the VAE, variational autoencoders, visualizing generated images. So now I am going to demonstrate this application. Very interesting application. A notepad space VAE, variational autoencoders. Write a Python program. It trains VAE, variational autoencoder, to generate realistic images from the MNIST dataset using an encoder to map input images to a latent space decoder to reconstruct images from the latent space, and a custom loss function to optimize both reconstruction and latent space regularization. Then visualize the generated graphs. Now see here, I am executing Python space VAE, variational autoencoder application. Now it is going to execute. So likewise, n number of applications daily I am executing, because I'm demonstrating worldwide, many presentations I'm giving. So this month and next month in Adelaide, we are conducting international conference cleanup. If anybody interested, you can submit your paper. I will give you visiting visa for you. Cleanup conference at Adelaide, 1 week, lodging and boarding free of cost. Because you are Indian, that's why I'm giving this option for you. So this application, see now 10 iterations I kept. So now 5, see, it is executing a variational autoencoder. It uses many functions on this application. So 7th step is completed. Now it is going to complete only 2 minutes time. So 8th step and then 9th, and it will display the output. So any queries meanwhile, please ask me any queries, my dear friends. Hello, please ask me queries. See, if you are not asking queries, means you are not understanding my lecture. That is conclusion. Say yes or no. Hello.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Because
No,
you
sir.
are
No,
giving
sir.
most valuable information, and we are continuously
Okay.
taking your inputs, so that most probably
Okay.
it's a
Okay.
very. I think it takes, if possible,
Yeah.
you must be given more than 5 hours or 6 hours. Then only I'll be given most valuable information. But unfortunately, due to lack of time, so that we are taking your input, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
sure. No problem. This is the variational autoencoder output. I got it. Okay. Synthetic data. So I have successfully executed this one more application. Let me see. Is there any other application? See, this is the final output I have executed in my laptop. If you take a huge volume of data, so that you will get very good accuracy, loss, and good time complexity, and number of epochs, like that. So with this one, I'm closing my session. This is my address. If you want to use foreign evaluation, thesis evaluation purpose also, you can use me. I'm in India, so many universities I'm doing thesis evaluation. Okay, this is my address. Please note down my mobile number. Please 91 832 832 865 3091. So this is my mobile number. So you can search in Google also. You will find my details. My mobile number, it will come. You can suggest foreign thesis evaluation for if anybody interested under my guidance. I'll always welcome to guide you how to build a paper, how to develop a project, how to write a research proposal, how to prepare the best research article by using AI and ICT tools also. I have given. You can check in my YouTube videos. You will find various videos are presented. You can use, you can listen, you can write comments, so that I will collaborate with you if you are interested. Okay. So with this one, I'm closing session. These are my future workshops. See, so far I have conducted worldwide so many workshops, webinars, nearly 175. So far I have conducted in different countries. In India, almost all universities I have covered. Maximum I have covered. And in future workshops also I kept here. See, these are various webinars, workshops, symposiums. See, this is my forthcoming workshop. Next forthcoming workshop. This is your college, Lakkireddy Balreddy College of Engineering, and this is my forthcoming August 5th worldwide. I am conducting data analytics mastery in Python programming in Adelaide. Actually, we are conducting at University of Newcastle, Callaghan campus, where I am staying. So this is that's all from my side. Any queries from audience, please? Hello, my dear friends.
No,
I
sir.
think time is, yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, no, sir. Thank you for
Yeah,
a wonderful session, sir. You have enlightened
yeah,
us with your knowledge. Seems like our faculty
yes.
and participants are very interested, and that's why your explanation in such a way that there are no doubts, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes,
Any
sir.
feedback from the participants? How you liked it, this workshop? Please rate this one and give the feedback, one or two. Introduce yourself and give the feedback, please. If anybody attended.
Sir, my name is Srinivasulu.
Oh, sir. Tell me, sir.
This FDP makes very interesting, and how the data can be visualized through bar chart, scatter plot. So many
Correct.
charts are there. So you are
Yes.
clearly explaining through Python programming. So thank you
Yes.
very much, sir.
Thank you, sir, Srinivas, sir. So you can suggest to your college, your friends, you can utilize my service. I'm always helping to develop any applications or any research, any proposal, or if you want any online workshops also, I'm interested any topic in computer science domain, any topic.
Sure,
I'm,
sir.
I'm,
Sure.
I'm always welcome. Yeah.
Sure, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Right,
Any other
sir.
feedback?
Seems like
If
most
not,
of
you
them
can
have
close.
responded in comment section, sir.
Oh, okay,
Yes, sir.
feedback form.
We'll
Okay, that's
yes,
great.
sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. We'll end this session, sir. Thank you once again, sir.
yeah, sure, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
yeah, thank you, sir. Sir, please send me this video, sir, so that I will upload in my channel, so that everybody can listen who missed this workshop. They will
Sure,
listen,
sir.
sir.
Sure, sir.
Please. Yeah.
Sure,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Participants can now exit the meeting. Thank you for participating. The next session will be commenced on tomorrow, 2 p.m. Thank you.
Please, all are requested to give your valuable feedback, because everyday feedback from is being sent in the group.